So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much money I've made with YouTube in the last month. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that every single month I share with you exactly how much money I've made from the YouTube ad revenue. And this month is no difference. I'm going to show you exactly how much money I made from YouTube. But that's not the only thing that I'm going to show you today. I also ran an experiment for the past 30 days. I'm going to show you the results of that experiment in this video because I think it's going to be really interesting. If you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, hopefully you can take all this information, use it to grow your own channel. Hopefully you can test it out for yourself and see if you can get better results. So not only am I going to show you my earnings for the month of September, I'm also going to show you my subscribers. I'm going to show you my views for the month. I'm going to show you the experiment that I was doing for the previous 30 days, show you my results and what I think about the results. And hopefully you gain some value from this video. And if you do, all I ask is that you hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or you want to leave a comment, and just share this video if you like the video. Now, as you know, I'm always saying that YouTube ad revenue should not be your only way of making money with YouTube. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to monetize your content on YouTube because you cannot just depend on the YouTube ad revenue to make a full-time income. You have to monetize your channel in many different ways. That way you're making money from different sources, and if something goes wrong with YouTube or something goes wrong with the YouTube ad revenue, you're still making some money with affiliate marketing. Which is why I encourage you to download my free affiliate marketing guide and learn how to run a successful affiliate marketing business, how you can make money as an affiliate marketing, not only with YouTube but with Facebook and any other platform that you want. As long as you learn these skills, you will have no trouble making money online. So if you guys want to grab that, the link is going to be in the description below. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump into my computer right now. All right, guys, so we're inside my YouTube Studio account, and I'm going to show you my September earnings for 2019, show you exactly how much money I've made, and we're going to go to September here. And as you can see, we made a little bit more money than the previous month. The previous month actually went down. I covered that in my last video. But this month we had more views, we had more subscribers, and we actually made a little bit more money. As you can see, $838. So it's been going up consistently almost every month except for last month, which went down mainly because of the CPM. The CPM was a little bit lower than the previous month. So if I'm making a little bit more money every single month to the point where I can get this to maybe $1,500, $2,000 or more per month on YouTube, on just the ad revenue alone, I'm gonna be a happy camper because, like I said, I'm doing videos every week. I enjoy doing the videos, and getting paid for something you love doing anyways, it's always a plus. So I'm gonna click on estimated revenue so I can show you my highest dates. As you can see, on average, I'm making about $20-something per day. There were some high days of $30-something here. You can see 34 and 82 here, and then it goes down to 21, and then up again, and then it goes down again, and then it goes down to 37. That was my highest day for in terms of earnings with $37. I haven't been able to break $37, go past $40 or get $50 yet, but I'm hoping that perhaps this coming month I'll be able to do that. I have some good videos planned which I think are gonna do quite well, and that might push me to make a little bit more money. So this is how many videos I posted in the entire month. If we count them, you can see that I posted about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 videos posted in September. So I wanted to do a test to see if posting more often will actually increase my views and subscribers, and it did a little bit, but it wasn't actually a major difference in comparison to last month. I thought that if I were to post 5 days a week, and I did this 2 weeks out of the month, as you can see here, the last week of the month, and then the second week of the month I posted just a bunch of videos one after the other to see what would happen, and I did get some views. You can see here the difference in terms of earnings here. You can see that those were high days in terms of earnings. And then the weeks that I posted just 3 videos like I usually do, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it wasn't actually that much of a difference, but you can definitely tell that when I posted 5 times in a week, I made more money, which is obvious because I got more views. But is it something that you can sustain for a long time, for like a year? I highly doubt it. And I doubt it because it's pretty difficult to just create a video every single day or 5 times a week, trying to record the videos, edit the videos, upload the videos. It takes time. It takes a couple hours. That's mainly because each of my videos take about 3 hours between recording the video, editing the video, uploading the video, optimizing the video, and all of that takes about 3 to 4 hours usually. So every single day, just creating one brand new video 5 times a week, it can be quite a challenge. But the experiment did work in terms of whether or not I could make more money if I posted more videos. And typically you will, because you have more views. I don't know what your channel is about if you're watching this video, but if you're in a niche where you have the ability to post 5 times a week, if you want to do a test like I'm doing, like I did this past month, you could definitely try it. You can you can post maybe 5 times a week just for 1 week out of the month, and just see if you're able to get more subscribers in that week. See if you're able to get more views in that week. In fact, I'm gonna click on subscribers, and you can see here in the week that I posted just 3 videos, and then the weeks that I posted 5 videos, you can see how my subscriber count went up. The week that I just posted 3 videos, you can see my subscriber going up again. So you can see the difference here. The reason why I wanted to do it this way was so I can record my results at the end of the month, which is what I'm doing now. Not just show you guys my earnings for the month, but also show you the results of my experiment when it comes to posting just 3 times a week or posting 5 times a week. And of course, my niche, which is the make money online niche or affiliate marketing and all of that, it's far easier to create content for this type of niche than it is for photography or cooking or any other type of niche out there. Now, when it comes to views, you can see that my views went up a little bit compared to my previous month. And it's not a huge difference. Most days I get about 2,500 to 3,000 views in a day. But you can see that when I post 5 times in a single week, I tend to get more views, which is pretty obvious. But like I said, it's pretty hard to sustain. And if you do this, I would recommend just do it for maybe once a month, 1 week out of the month. You can do just 5 videos for that week, and not do it every single month, because you're gonna burn out, and most likely you won't actually be able to sustain doing this for the next 6 months. So guys, I really do hope that you learned something from this video. And the reason why I do all of this, and I'm really transparent about everything that I do, is that so you guys can see not only my efforts in terms of what I'm doing and things that I'm testing with my own channel, how much money I make, but also that you can utilize some of these tips for your own channel. You can apply them and perhaps test it out yourself, see if you can get different results, see if you can get better results. And if you do get better results, if you do have some results from just using any of the things that I'm telling you in my channel, just let me know. Comment in the section, comment below, and just let me know your results. Let me know if posting 1 week out of the month, posting 5 times in a single week or 7 times in a single week, or whatever you want to do, if that actually helped you grow faster, made you more money, or it didn't make any difference at all. So those are my results for the month of September. As you can see, $838 for the month of September. Hopefully this month goes better. Hopefully I get more views, more subscribers, and I make a little bit more than the previous month. And as you can see, the results from my experiment of uploading 5 days a week instead of just 3 like I was doing previously, I would say mixed results. I wouldn't actually say that do this every single week, because I really doubt that it's possible to just upload consistently for 6 months 5 times a week. sooner or later you will get burnt out and you won't be able to just keep that schedule. But if you do want to test it out like I did, just maybe 2 weeks out of the month or maybe 1 week out of the month, you could definitely do it. It is possible to do it. Like I just showed you, it is possible to upload 5 times a week. Either you just create a bunch of videos in a day or two and just schedule them every single day for the next 5 days and just test it out, see the results, see what happens. And if you're happy with the results, then you keep doing it perhaps once a month or perhaps 2 weeks out of the month, whatever it is that you want to do. Personally, I might do it once a month, 1 week out of the month, just to see if I could get some momentum and get more subscribers. And I'll definitely keep experimenting and trying to figure out new ways to get more subscribers, get more views, and make more money. So hopefully you guys gained some value from this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week, and my intention is to bring you guys as much value as possible. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.